The Self Credit Builder is a secure installment account where you guys are going to be paying $25 to $150 per month. You can choose, it's 4 different options. You're going to be paying that per month, and they're going to report it to the credit bureau for about 12 months to 24 months. Again, you have the option to pick 12 months between 12 months and 24 months. And as they report to the credit bureaus, your credit score should go up. Now, the thing is, a lot of people can't just get installment accounts. And I always tell people, try to have at least 2 installment accounts in your credit report. So the Self Credit Builder account is there just to help you get an account reported to the credit bureau so that your credit score can go up, because your credit score is just so low that you can't get a regular personal loan, maybe a car payment, some student loans to naturally boost your credit score. Now, let me show you again this just in case you guys haven't seen it. This is their accounts right here. This is their credit builder account. Like I told you guys have the option. You got $25 all the way up to $150 that you guys can pay. And the number of months is going to depend on what's your payment option. So if you guys do $25 or $35 per month, you guys are going to be paying on that for 24 months. And that's not a bad thing. That's a really good thing. You want to be able to pay on these accounts for a long period of time, because that means that they're going to continue to report to the credit bureaus for a long period of time. If you guys choose the $48 or $150, then you're going to be paying on that for 12 months. Now, I know you wonder, okay, what are we paying $48 for? What are we paying $25 for? As you guys pay on these accounts, you guys are going to get money back. So if you guys pay, this is my favorite one, of $48 per month, because I pay it for 12 months, just in case financials get rocky. I just know I don't have that long. I have to pay it. I don't have to worry about a late payment or anything happen with this account. But for that $48 account, you pay on that 12 months, $48. You're going to get $539 back. I have direct deposit set up. I think you guys should have that set up too, instead of waiting on the check, because they say it can take up to 3 weeks to get your check back. With the direct deposit, that money come right back in your account. But you're going to get $539 back. You're going to pay a $9 fee when you first sign up. Like when you sign up for the Self now, you don't pay that $48 or the $25 now, whatever you choose. You only pay $9, and then they later on take out your first payment. So you're going to pay that $9 administrative fee. Then you're going to pay a total of $576. That's your total payments after you pay $48 per month. They're going to give you $539 back, and then your final cost is going to be $46. The key thing about this, you guys, is that they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. That's what you guys should be thinking about. But this is the actual credit builder account here. So this is actually what the credit builder account looked like. Now, everybody's situation is different, you guys. Everybody, you have to think about, what's best for you. But, I always tell people, if your credit score is under a 620, definitely go ahead and look into getting this account, because it can possibly really help you boost your credit.